and welcome to Mary's Craft Corner. I bought these bird houses that I have painted, and I'd like to show you guys how they look. And I also went to Hobby Lobby during the 4th of July, and I got these stamps. This one's by Hero Arts, and I just put that aside. And I also got this. You got the Sizzix. I got the Momentum flower die. And I got the Sizzix doily die. And I can't wait to use this one. This one is awesome. And I also got this one. It's little thank you notes. It's a thank you die by Momenta. And I got this. I got this house mouse. And I really like it because it's so cute. And then I just got some patriotic star ribbon. And this is by the Ribbon Boutique. And this was from Hobby Lobby. All the stamps and the dies were from Hobby Lobby. Alright. You guys have a great weekend. And I'll see you later. Bye.